In this tutorial, we're going to explore several easy and reliable ways to save a document in Microsoft Word, so you never have to worry about losing your work. Whether you prefer using icons, menus, or keyboard shortcuts, Microsoft Word gives you multiple options to save your file quickly and efficiently. The first method is using the Save icon, also known as the diskette icon, located at the top of the Microsoft Word window. This is one of the fastest and most commonly used ways to save a document. Simply click the Save icon, and if this is your first time saving the file, Word will prompt you to choose a location. Select the folder where you want your document to be stored, give your file a name if needed, and then click Save. Your document will now be safely stored in that location. The second method is through the File menu. Click on File in the top left corner of your Microsoft Word window. From the menu that appears, select Save As. Then click Browse to open your File Explorer. From there, choose the folder where you want to save your document, type in the file name, and click Save. This method is especially useful when you want to save a copy of your document in a different location or with a different name. The third method uses a keyboard shortcut, which is perfect if you want to save your work quickly while typing. Simply press Ctrl+S on your keyboard. This shortcut works just like the Save icon. If your document has already been saved before, Word will automatically update the file. If it hasn't been saved yet, Word will ask you to choose a folder, name the file, and then click Save. This is one of the best habits to develop to avoid losing any progress. The final method is by pressing F12 on your keyboard. This shortcut immediately opens the Save As window, allowing you to choose a folder, rename your document if needed, and save it right away. It's a powerful shortcut that takes you straight to the saving options without navigating through menus. And that's it. These are the different ways you can save a Word document in Microsoft Word. By knowing all these methods, you can choose the one that works best for your workflow and make sure your document is always saved properly. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.